How to stop Spotify from pausing automatically. If Spotify keeps pausing automatically, there are a few things you can try to fix it. Start by checking your internet connection, as a weak or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal can cause playback to stop unexpectedly. Make sure battery saving settings aren't interfering with Spotify. On Android, go to your phone settings, tap battery, and check if Spotify is being optimized. If it is, remove it from any battery optimization. Next, make sure Spotify app is fully updated by visiting the Google Play Store and installing any available updates. You should also try clearing the app's cache, which can help resolve temporary glitches. To do this, go to Settings, then Apps, select Spotify, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.